So we're here at my first competition event, getting ready to do some testing of the car on the track. It's Cam's Acres again, and we're actually running the same layout, so that's pretty dope. Already adjusted the dampers on the front, adjusted the dampers on the back. We cut some bump stops out because it was basically sitting on it. And then since last time, I did get the K2 alternator bracket on it, so hopefully that fixes my belt issues, and did a bunch of work to the car. Finally got the dash in it. Interior looks pretty good. Got everything painted, everything's cleaned up really nice, and I can't wait to drive the car. I'm hoping that with everything changed on it, we can do some better laps this time than we did last time. So let's do it. So I did 2 laps, the car felt pretty good, and then at the end of the second lap, my exhaust decided it was gonna completely f***ing explode. And I'm pretty sure I didn't even hit anything, it just f***ing exploded. So maybe aluminum isn't the way to go. Pretty disappointing, because that was a lot of work to do, and it was pretty sick and it sounded good. But yeah. It's real shitty. Alright, so they're giving me a hard time about the exhaust blowing off it because then I don't meet rules technically, but that sounds awful. The exhaust didn't last, but I think they're gonna let me run, which is cool. Everything's dialed. I put some positive camber in, negative toe, and got a new fresh set of tires on there, so let's give her a run. Alright, had a pretty good track day. I figured out a bunch of stuff with the suspension. It's still not perfect, and I'm still bottoming out in the back, but I'm gonna just have to figure something out there. But overall, the car did pretty good. One more time with my first battle, and Dino actually ended up winning second. So, not that bad of a first competition day with the car. Definitely could have did better, and I'm a little disappointed because I did 0 a run, I'm pretty sure. So, next time, which is this weekend for Lone Star Drift, we'll just do better. So, the belt's good, and I'm not wearing tires on the inside, so we're fixing stuff, getting better, and that's all that matters. So, Make sure you comment, like, subscribe, and tell your friends because I'm trying to grow this channel. Thanks, guys.